First note, you need one shallow and one deep 14mm to get this fucker off. This end I'm going to leave. I assume they torqued it to spec. This end I'm going to put some Loctite on when we get there. Spacer for the other side, lock washer, and bolt. And now we need the other frame slider. We also need two 17mm wrenches. Spacer goes in. Shake up my Loctite a little bit. Awkward angle. And we have one that ratchets, one that doesn't. Okay, tighten. Just starting to compress those lock washers. As you can see, still has some play. There we go. I think another little bit. Good. Once our frame slider's installed,